clean up, everybody, everywhere, clean up. Hey guys, it's Maddie here and I'm in the AFI DIY lab here with a new project for you guys to try out. I'll be showing you how to put together a simple to make foot soap that your customers are gonna love because I love it. I use this recipe all the time, so why not share with you guys? So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon to join our notification squad before we get started. It really helps our channel and for us to know what we can provide for you guys. So once you've done that, let's jump right in. So to start this DIY, we're gonna need a mixing bowl, which I've got right here. And there's only 4 ingredients needed for the soak, so let's start with our Epsom salt. So this will make a great base for our soak and provides great benefits to the joints and to the muscles. All right, now that we have our Epsom salt, we're gonna follow it up with baking soda, and this will help wash away any dirt and impurities on your feet when you're soaking them. Next up, I've got sea salt, which will help provide some exfoliation, which will give your feet that baby soft feel. So flip-flop season, here I come. All right, before we whisk all of this together, we need to add a fragrance, and it'll really bring the foot soak to the next level and provide a relaxing atmosphere for the customer. There's literally thousands of fragrances that you can choose from in our library, so I know how hard it can be to find your favorites. But have no fear, AFI offers 6 free samples with every order, and I use this feature to find one of my favorites, purple sage and mint leaf. All right, this is nice and mixed together pretty well, if I do say so myself. So I'm gonna do a little cleanup and then I'm gonna grab our baking tray so we can move to our next step. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do here is take this mixture here, spread it out evenly over our tray, and we'll leave this out overnight to let all of the fragrance absorb into the dry ingredients. And when all of that is done, maybe tomorrow, but I'll see you guys again really, really soon. All right, guys, it's all done and ready to go. So what I'm gonna use is a mason jar just for our packaging product. I just feel like it's aesthetically pleasing, you know, and it helps our product really, really pop on store shelves. And so what we're gonna do is just simply fill this up into our container, screw the lid on, and then we're done. This super easy foot soak costs us about $1 to make, and it can be sold wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $5 to $8. Now don't forget to check out our DIY playlist for tons more project ideas that you can pair with this foot soak, like our creamy sugar scrub. As always, I'm Maddie, and I'm so happy that you guys chose to join us for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like this video if you want to see more content just like this. There are links to all of our socials in the description down below, so tag us if you tried out any of our DIYs. I'd love to see your creations. And I'll catch you guys again really, really soon, so it's only bye for now.